I'll be using hot water since hot water is known to speed up processes. That's hot. I'm also gonna be using lemon juice to see if that also speeds up the process. And finally, I'm gonna have water. I'm gonna be weighing the lollipops before I start, before I put them in the substances. My materials that I used to make this experiment possible is a lemon squeezer, 3 lollipops, some boiling hot water, and a knife. And then I also used some water, and that's it. I colored my lollipops green, red, and blue. Right now I have all 3 lollipops and the scale right here. First I'm gonna weigh the green. Looks like the green is 19 grams. Looks like the red's 19 grams too. Finally, the blue, 18 pounds, just a gram short of what the other Tootsie Pops are. Right now we have all 3 of the cups filled with all 3 of the substances. We have lemon juice, we have water, and hot water. Now I'm gonna put the green in the hot water. I'm gonna put the blue in the water, and I'm gonna put the red in the lemon juice. Now I'm gonna come back to you in just a few minutes and wait for any big drastic changes. Even the small ones you've got to document. I just started the timer, and already you can see some changes in the hot water. There, in the hot water, let me show you. As you can see in the hot water, in the hot water over here, you could see that it's already starting to turn brown. That's a good sign because that means that the lollipop's already starting to fade away. And then over here, you can see, hold up, let me just adjust it. Over here, you can see that the water is already is also starting to turn brown. And the cool thing that I found out about the lemon juice is that only the brown color is staying at the bottom. Let me just show you all of them. Okay. It should be time for the big check on the lollipops. So right now, as you can see, for the hot water, it's gotten very brown. But I think it's so cool that the brown sugar is just at the bottom on all of them. You can especially notice it on the lemon juice. It looks like our first lollipop, hot water, has finally made it to the yummy Tootsie Center. You can see the yummy Tootsie Center right about there. You see, it's all gushy. Here's the water. I'm going to be weighing the lollipop. Look, it's only 2 grams. Whoa, it has lowered a lot. So far, there has not been any drastic changes in the lollipops. I've noticed that the water is coming close. It might look like it's finally at the Tootsie Center, but it's not. There's still a hard shell covering it. It has been about 15 minutes, and guess what? Water has finally made it through the sugary barrier. As you can see right here. Right now, I'm gonna weigh the water. Right now, I'm gonna weigh the one in the water, the lollipop in the water. Let me just turn the scale on. Now we should be good. Oh, 10 grams. I think that it weighs a lot more than the hot water one because the hot water probably chewed away more of the shell that weighs a bit more than the Tootsie Pop, the Tootsie Center. So yeah, it's 10 grams. All that's left is the lemon. Lemon juice finally has made it to the Tootsie Center. It's pretty obvious by now. So I'm gonna weigh it like I did with all the other ones. Wait. Okay, now let's start weighing. Looks like it's 8 grams. Just 2 grams, a little bit, 2 grams less than the water. I've had so much fun with this experiment. And it took a total of about 20 minutes to finally get to the Tootsie Center on all of them.